ModelRailroadBenchwork.com here. Just wanted to take a moment and show you how I install cork and track on a layout. As you'll notice here, I have a one-to-one print. It's something that ModelRailroadBenchwork.com offers. So it's a full-scale print of what the layout is going to look like. So what I do is I just actually staple the cork directly over the paper. And it's really that quick. So when you get done with that, you should always have a sharp knife on you, but I just take the knife and run it across the edge of the cork, and what that does is it actually peels off all the little nubbies and it strips the paper off at the same time. You can actually also just grab the paper and pull up if all of the track is in place, and pull up, and it'll actually rip it all off at the cork as well. So, and I can actually show you a little bit right here. So just pull up and towards the cork, and it strips it nice and easy. So every once in a while you get a little hanger, but simple as that. So as soon as you get done ballasting, you're ready to go.